Okay, so let's look at this one, 2013 paper 1 question 5. Same thing. This tells you that this is 3 repeating units. So for those of you who join us later just now, we missed out the first part. This is repeats every 3A units. Okay, the rationale is very simple. So if you put f x plus 3A equals to fx. Okay, so if you were to put this as, let's say this, if this is x is equals to a, fa, right? Then this will be a as well. So this is fa. A here will be 4a. Okay. Now then this is not it. You can also move this to this side here. So now if x becomes 4a, this will be f equals to 7a. So you can just keep wash, rinse, and repeat. Here then, this is 7a. Okay. So if you move this over to the other side, if x becomes 7a, same thing, this will be f equals to 10a, and so on. So you realize that you can actually just add 3a here. Add 3a. Okay, don't forget, like if there's a forward, there's also a backward. So this is also minus a, minus 3a, minus 3a, minus 3a. So this means that if you do this, this is actually f equals to minus 2a. Okay, so it just goes on forever lah. You can just keep adding 3a. It repeats every 3a time. Just remember that. Okay, once you've done that, really now we are told to sketch a graph. So I'm gonna draw to scale. So I'm gonna bring out a grid. Okay, there you go. Okay, now the first thing is, of course, from minus a to a is this function here, then a to 2a. So a repeating unit is from a domain of minus a to 2a. Okay, because if you combine these two, minus a to 2a here. So I'm gonna just sketch it out, because minus 4a to 6a. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4 around here. And then what is this line? This is, it's 0. Okay. It looks like that. Y equals to 0 here. Okay, great. So this is fx. This is x. Okay, there you go. Minus 4a to 6a. Okay, great. I'm going to draw from minus a here to a. Okay, what is this equation? The first one. So you just let y equals to 1 minus x squared over 2a. Here is y squared equals to 1 minus x squared over a squared. Y squared plus x squared over a squared equals to 1. Okay. Now, when you see this kind, I always tell you that for conics, when the coefficients x squared and y squared are the same, it's a circle. If it's of the same sign but different value, then it's an ellipse. And if it's different sign, so means y squared minus x squared over a squared, then it's a hyperbola. So this one is clearly an ellipse, right? This is an ellipse. So this is an ellipse. Remember, this one here is the vertical stretch. So if this is, the center is 0, 0. Okay, very, very simple. The center here of the ellipse is actually 0, 0. Then this is a units to the left and right. Okay. Then here this is 1 square. So the vertical stretch here is 1 unit. So we could just draw this out as an ellipse. But take note, this is only taking the positive part, guys. It's only taking the positive part. Just the positive part. There's no plus minus in front. There's just the positive part. This has to be a function. So it only takes the positive part. Okay? It only takes the positive because y positive. Square root, the value there is positive. So this case here, is a, they never tell you a is bigger than 1 or not. So it's the ellipse here. So I'm probably just going to draw it like that. So remember, I'm going to put my 1 here. That this is So move on to 0. Y equals 0 is quite okay, right? Y equals 0 is just a horizontal line there. So horizontal line A to A. Am I right? A to 2A, yeah. So it's here. So this one, please use another color. Maybe my axis should use another color then. Axis use. Okay. Okay. Like that. There you go. So if you want minus 4A to 6A, this is one repeating unit here. Okay. What you need is then just replicate it. So the good thing about having this is I can just control paste. It's really just control paste 3 units, okay? A to 6A, so means I just keep repeating, okay? So 2, 3, 4, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so here would then be okay, we need to stop at 6A, so we need to cut off certain part of the graph, I think. So this is 3A. This is 3A, 1. This is 4A. This is 5A, and this is 6A. And 6A, 1. Erase it down. All these questions here, please try them again. They are pretty good questions there. Okay, so there you go. 6A1. Yay. Great. Then what we're gonna do next is 4A. So we're just gonna repeat the behind here also. Just copy paste. This is one repeating unit here. So the next one will be a line here. So I'm gonna just put a line here, 1. Literally just copy paste, guys. I'm doing what I did just now, which is copy paste. Okay, yeah. Okay. Minus 2A. Minus 3A minus 4. Minus 3 is here. Minus 4. There you go. Just label the endpoints. Usually is better. So this is y equals to. So as you can see, the repeating unit can be can be about off center here. So sometimes most of the question would actually be from 0 to some value. Okay, but this case here is from minus 2A to 2A. So just make sure you understand this concept that if it can be like in the negative region as well for the repeating unit.